Many of us like sour taste of food. You must have noticed that sometimes juices we sip are sour in taste. Generally, sour-tasting substances contain acids. Some fruits contain citric acid, which is sour in taste. The origin of the word acid is the Latin word acer, which means sour. Acid is found in natural substances like fruits and vegetables. Have you heard that sting of an ant or a bee contains acid and causes the burning sensation? Different food items contain different acids. Citrus fruits like orange, grapes, mandarin, lemon, etc. contain citric acid. Vinegar found in our kitchen is dilute acetic acid. Ascorbic acid is found in guava, orange, raspberries, etc. Malic acid is found in many fruits. Apple has quite rich in absorbic acid. Most of the children love more cheese in pizza. Cheese and curd contain lactic acid. We wash our clothes every day with soap. Do you know which kind of solution it is? Soap solution tastes bitter, and on rubbing on the palm, it gives a slippery feeling because it contains base. Thus, those substances whose aqueous solutions have a bitter taste and a slippery feel are called bases. Water-soluble bases are known as alkali. The word alkali is derived from the Arabic word alkali, meaning ashes, referring to the original source of alkaline substance. Students, the chemical name of lime is calcium hydroxide. Lime water is prepared by dissolving lime in water. Milk of magnesia is a medicine which helps us in digesting our food. It contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. The baking soda used in making cake, breads, and in other bakery items contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. When your mother cleans the window, put a drop of solution she is using on your palm and feel it. You will feel slippery on your palm. This is because cleaners are made of ammonium hydroxide, which is a base. We use chalk in schools for writing on the blackboard. Is it a base or an acid? Chalk gives a basic solution when dissolved in water. It is called calcium carbonate chemically. Do you know you feel relieved on applying baking soda on ant sting? This is because baking soda neutralizes the acid present in ant sting. Now that we know what an acid and a base is, let us find what happens when an acid is mixed with a base. An acid and a base combine to give salt and water. Let's do the following experiment. Add some phenolphthalein to dilute hydrochloric acid. The indicator remains colorless in the acidic solution. Now we add a solution of sodium hydroxide in the small portions. At a certain point, the indicator changes color, which means that the acid completely neutralized by the sodium hydroxide and some excess hydroxide ions are present in the solution. Reaction produced to salt, sodium chloride, and water. The reaction of acids and bases is also known as neutralization reaction. Sometimes we feel inflammation in our stomach. Why is it so? Our stomach secretes hydrochloric acid, HCl, a very strong acid which helps us to digest food. But too much secretion of acid in the stomach causes inflammation. To relieve the sensation of inflammation, an antacid is taken. Antacid contains base that neutralizes the excess acid in stomach. Soils which we use for cultivation can become acidic or basic in nature. The basic soils are treated with organic compounds which release acid. Thus, the soil becomes neutral. Many factories release the acidic wastes which, after falling in the water bodies, damage them. As a result, living organisms of water die. The acidic wastes are neutralized with the bases like slaked lime before their disposal. Let us summarize what we have learned. An acid is defined as a substance whose aqueous solution is characterized by a sour taste. A base is a substance whose aqueous solution has bitter taste and a slippery feel. A salt is formed when a base reacts with an acid. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Neutralization plays an important role in our everyday life.